All right, with the electric prices being just shocking, dad joke right there, we're in Chicopee today, home of the lowest electricity in the area. We're at 4 Moreau Court. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this is your local look. Steph from Coldwell Banker is inside. She's waiting for us. Let's go inside and have her show us around. Steph, what's up? Oh, I love it. We walk right into this big room here.
It's a great house.
Yeah. Oh, I love that room. Let's take a look around.
All right,
show us
around the house.
We'll start with this big room here.
Welcome to 427 Moreau Court, Chicopee, Massachusetts.
Oh wow, love the open floor plan here. Going right into this room with all kinds of light.
It's totally awesome for entertaining. Nice open concept living, single level living.
It really looks move-in ready.
Living room's really spacious. Three really good sized bedrooms, nice big master.
Is that wood floors everywhere?
Throughout. Other features include a large back deck, a 2-car attached garage, and a 6-zone sprinkler system, central vac, and more. Check out the bathroom, it's been updated.
Oh my gosh, how do we get to the basement without going downstairs?
It is a really good basement though. It is fully walkout. It's got the bar, home office, lots of flex space.
I really love this place. That bar in the basement's great. That big room with all that sunlight off the kitchen and dining room, 2-car garage, great yard, awesome neighborhood. If you agree, you want to come check out this place, reach out to Stephanie. And hey, you buyers out there, let's get you pre-approved. There's first-time home buyer funds available here in Massachusetts that can help you get this place with very little out of pocket if you qualify. So it's Brad the Mortgage Guy. We're out of here.